Many users experience the uploading to iCloud paused issue when syncing messages or photos. This video explains the possible causes and provides solutions to resume iCloud uploads smoothly. Part 1. Why uploading to iCloud paused? Messages may show syncing pause due to issues like an unstable internet connection, low battery, insufficient iCloud storage, Apple server problems, outdated iOS, or incorrect iCloud settings. Checking these factors can help resume syncing. Part 2. How to resume iCloud sync. After identifying the causes of iCloud upload pauses, try the following methods to resume uploads and fix the issue. Fix 1. Check network connection. Step 1. Ensure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, avoiding data usage for large file uploads. Step 2. Restart your router or switch to a more stable network environment. Step 3. Try resetting network settings. Path. Settings General Reset network settings. Fix 2. Restart the iPhone. For iPhone X and later, hold the volume and side buttons, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6, 7, 8, or SE2 and or 3rd generation, hold the side button to show the power slider, turn off the iPhone, wait about 30 seconds, then hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone SE1 Street Gen, iPhone 5, or earlier, hold the top button, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, then hold the top button again until the Apple logo appears. Fix 3. Hard reset the iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6 and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the power button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Fix 4. Charge the iPhone. Low battery may pause syncing. Charge the device to resume uploads. Fix 5. Check Apple's system status. iCloud may have temporary outages or maintenance. Check Apple's system status page to confirm service availability. Fix 6. Sign out of iCloud account and sign back in. Step 1. Go to Settings, your name, sign out. Step 2. Enter your Apple ID password and select Sign out. Step 3. Sign back into iCloud and try uploading again. Fix 7. Check iCloud storage space. Step 1. Open Settings, your name, iCloud, manage storage. Step 2. If your storage is full, you can delete unnecessary backups or files or choose to upgrade your storage plan. Fix 8. Re-enable the specific app on iCloud. Here is how to resume syncing iPhone messages. Step 1. Open Settings, your name, iCloud. Step 2. Find Messages and turn it off. Step 3. After turning it off, wait a few seconds, then re-enable the iCloud sync for this app. Step 4. Wait for a while and check the upload status. Here is how to unpause iCloud photo syncing. Step 1. Open Settings, your name, iCloud. Step 2. Find Photos, then iCloud Photos, and turn it off. Step 3. Wait a few seconds and re-enable it. Fix 9. Update to the latest iOS version. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. If an update is available, tap Download and Install, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Fix 10. Use iOS System Recovery the ultimate way. If the above methods fail, iOS System Recovery can help fix iOS system issues like iCloud upload pauses, Apple logo freezes, black screens, and recovery mode problems with simple steps. Step 1. Download and install the program on your computer, then launch it. From the main interface, select iOS System Recovery and connect your iPhone via USB. Step 2. A pop-up will show the various issues the tool can resolve. Click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. Choose either Standard Mode or Advanced Mode. The tool will detect your iPhone's basic information. Click Confirm to continue. Step 4. Finally, click the Repair button to begin downloading the firmware package and repairing your iPhone.